What's up? I'm gonna be sample trolling again. By throwing my headset. You want me to do a demonstration? Alright, hold up. Let me get the sound. So it's gonna be like this.
Hey lads, today I'm gonna show you how to drive a car. All kinds of feeling go like.
And I think that's pretty believable, so let's just. Yeah. I won't leave this camera here like I did last time. I actually put it in first person. Alright. I'll just put the camera right there.
You guys, you ever saw Iron Man before? Well, come here.
Wait,
Alright.
this is blue
Right,
standard.
takeoff zone, affirmative. 1 speed.
Yo, what the frick?
Bro's modding.
Bro, he's modding. Wait, don't report him. He's funny. Wait, that's funny. Don't report him. He's funny.
What the hell?
No, bro, it's thingy. I'm Iron Man, bro. I'm here to save the
Guys, y'all want me to throw my headset?
You come here, come on.
Alright. Alright, guys, I'm gonna throw my headset. Alright?
Hey lads, today I'm gonna show you how to drive a car. All kinds of feeling go like.
Did I join the same server?
Why is your arms going in a circle?
5 seconds ago.
Yeah,
I think this is the only server. I left this server. Oh no! Is this guy dead? People man.
Oh my god. I wanna
There you go.
I wanna do this. Look at what I can do.
Oh, there you
The same
go.
thing he was doing.
Oh my god. Heck no, bro. Bro, I freaking. Alright, that went to plan pretty good, dude. 30? Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, I'm chewing gum, so, yeah, sorry if you hear chewing. Yeah, I can hear that. Oh no, bro. Alright, so, as you saw in the last clip, I trolled, in 34 minutes of recording. Wasted, dude. I had 34 minutes of recording, and it didn't save into my plugin. Not in my plugin, my recordings, dude. Oh my god. As you saw, in Metropolis, I put my camera on this stand, that thing, and then it stopped recording. I didn't know that. As you saw, I was trolling doing like this thing. I was trolling doing this.
Hey lads, today I'm gonna show you how to drive a car. All kinds of feeling go like.
It seems pretty believable, but I am shaking a little bit. I don't know what. Well, yeah. And I might be doing the microwave troll. And if you don't know the microwave troll, it's pretty not believable. Like that.
It's like the start of clouds, but it's like sideways.
I might cut that out. I'm not sure. Full lobby?
Yeah.
Another full lobby. What about Guardian? I don't think that exists. Oh dang, it does. Bro, I met a modder. His name was Iron Man, and he used his mod stacks like Iron Man did.
It's serious, bro.
That's my boy.
Yo, you want me to throw my headset?
What?
Cause I feel like it.
Okay, well, you can't get it. Like this, like this.
I'm gonna throw my headset. I'm gonna throw my headset.
Don't do
Alright?
that, man. Don't do that. It's expensive.
Now I'm doing it. Wait, Black, let me do it. Let me do it. Alright, I'm about to do it. Alright?
Oh, hi, Blue.
Alright. I'm gonna throw my headset. I'm gonna do it.
Thanks, man.
No.
Black!
Oh, crap. Black. Silence.
Not you.
No.
Let me up here.
You should not mess with Ghostbusters.
What about Blue?
I accidentally dropped it out. Didn't have enough time.
Sorry. Sorry, Blue.
Everybody in this lobby, silence real quick, okay?
Alright, guys. I'm gonna do it.
I got it first. Yeah.
I'm gonna throw my headset.
Sorry.
You ready? Alright. You ready?
Get it?
Hey lads, today I'm gonna show you how to drive a car. What kinds of films are like?
Oh, they're stopping me. Oh, dang it. I just want a 10, man. I just want a 10. I just want a 10. I just want a 10. Let me get a 10. Please. No. No.
Oh my god.
Get it. Black.
My headset shatters.
Come on, Blue.
My headset's shattered, dude. Dude, I don't know how my headset still works. Well, this is also popular. Where do I want to do this?
Let's go.
I wasted 34. I can't connect to no lobbies, dude. That happened. Good. No, dude, no, I have to use my menu. Oh, dude. That's